elevate your life, if you want to get better, stay. If you don't, get the fuck out. What your life is going to be if you do what everybody else does. Earn your fucking weed, bro. You didn't earn anything to feel nice and chill. If you're 16 and you're making 2 G's, you should be able to make more money. I'm gonna show you guys something I found from news outlets. Watch this. Look at this guy, bro. Standing here like a fucking robot. Like a drone. You guys ready to be surprised?
Fox San Antonio's Jessica Headley.
And I'm Ryan Wolf.
Our greatest responsibility is to serve our
Treasure Valley communities. The El Paso Las Cruces.
Bro, watch Indoctrination 101. If you watch the news and you think you have free will, you're absolutely fucking kidding yourself.
Communities. Eastern Iowa communities.
Mid-Michigan communities.
We are extremely proud of the quality, balanced journalism that CBS 4 News produces.
But
we are concerned about the trouble and trend of irresponsible, one-sided news stories plaguing our country.
Plaguing our country.
The sharing of biased and false news has become
false news. Tell me more.
All too common on social media. More alarming, some media outlets publish the same fake stories without checking facts first.
The sharing of biased and
false news has become all too common on social media.
More alarming.
Are you surprised? Are you surprised?
Without checking facts first.
Unfortunately, some members of the media use their platform.
Wake up, you fucking clowns. This is in front of your face. They own the news. How many more times? Your parents are fucking glued. As soon as they leave work, they're glued to that fucking screen, bro. They're glued to that fucking screen. Do not end up like your parents, bro. Do not end up like the people that you see around you walking like fucking walking zombies. I want to build the largest decentralized entrepreneurial network on planet Earth because when shit hits the fan, and it will, I need people in every fucking country around the world. Capital Club is the largest decentralized entrepreneurial network on planet Earth. Currently, we are in 70 countries. This is the truth. I have people in most cities around the world where I just put out a story and I'm taken care of, right? That's the network that I already have. Just put out a story within an hour, blah, blah, blah. I got whatever I need anywhere, right?
To push their own personal bias and agenda to control exactly what people think. And this is extremely dangerous to our democracy.
This is extremely dangerous to our democracy. And you think you live in a free country, bro.
this is extremely dangerous to our democracy.
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 Insane, bro.
Extremely dangerous to our democracy.
Drones.
This is extremely dangerous to our democracy.
This same message is being televised, right? Being televised to hundreds of different cities, and you think that somehow you have free will. That somehow the way that you think is because you chose to think that way. Have you heard about the word fucking called programming? Have you heard the word propaganda? Have you heard the word? It's fucking crazy, bro. Enough.
Extremely dangerous to our democracy.
This is extremely dangerous to our democracy.
This is extremely dangerous to our democracy.
This is extremely dangerous to our democracy.
Extremely dangerous to our democracy.
This is extremely dangerous to our democracy.
And then the people, bro, they'll get you people from every color, every race, every gender. They'll get you everybody, bro. Everybody. Every single person and tell you what you want to hear. They'll lie to you. They'll steal from you. They'll kidnap your kids. They'll fucking put you in slavery. They'll do whatever the fuck they want with you. They'll rape you. They'll kill your children. They'll put you in indoctrination camps. They'll jab you. They'll mask you up for 2.5 years. They don't give a fuck. And you let them. And the reason you let them is because you're a dumb motherfucker. That's why. Because you do not know how to think. You are a drone. All you know how to do is eat, sleep, shit, and then you repeat the same cycle over and over again.
This is extremely dangerous to our democracy.
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 Every single person, all of them. If this video doesn't just absolutely perplex you, and you're like, you know what? Maybe I'm actually living a lie. Like maybe, just maybe, I may be wrong. Maybe, but I may be right. But it's the world that we live in, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to reality. They distort the news, they distort definitions, they distort gender, they distort the idea of family, they distort everything around you. They distort it. They distort all of it. So, with that being said, we need to understand that they also control the school system, the education system, what you know about money, what you know about relationships, what you know about business, what you know about tax. All of it, a man-made construct, and you do not understand it. And it wouldn't be in their favor for you to understand it, right? It wouldn't make sense. It wouldn't make sense for you to understand that you are a slave. Because then what? You would rebel. You would try to figure out how to become free. That is the truth. So my goal with this community that we're building is to wake motherfuckers up. Get 500 to 1,000 people. Just wait till the fucking machine ramps up. I'm done playing this nice dude, this chilling back, you know, multimillionaire sitting in his home, smoking a cigar, vibing. I'm coming for your fucking throats. And if you don't like it, get the fuck out. I don't want your comments. I don't want your negativity. I don't want your bullshit. If you want to elevate your life, if you want to get better, stay. If you don't, get the fuck out. Keep working your regular ass job. Keep watching Addison Rae shake her pancake ass on TikTok. Go watch Kim Kardashian on Hulu and go figure out what reality TV is because it's so fucking real. Go wear your fake eyelashes. Go party 3 times a week. Go get drunk. Go smoke weed all day. Go fuck around and listen to all this bullshit music 24/7. But then don't wonder what the outcome of your life is going to be. It's very fucking obvious what your life is going to be if you do what everybody else does. Everybody is fucking broke. Everybody. And now I'm realizing that even rich people, because they don't follow this fucking principle, they're also poor. They're slaves. They're just bigger slaves. Earn your fucking weed, bro. You didn't earn anything to feel nice and chill. All you're doing when you're smoking weed is alleviating your problems. You're masquerading the anxiety, the stress. No. Oh, bro, yeah. I just gotta sit down and relax. Relax from what? Your shitty life? No. You don't relax from your shitty life. You try to change it, bro. When you're at the bottom of the fucking barrel, don't be okay with living in the fucking scum. Quit walking up and down shit avenue and expecting you not to be covered in shit. Your life is what you made it, bro. If you want a different life, you're educating yourself, getting new habits, getting new friends, bro. I have to repeat these things every single day because people are forgetful. Oh yeah, but the shit that you teach it's very basic. Are you doing it? Are you doing? Oh no, I'm above the basic shit. Earn your fucking joint, bro. I had $1 million fucking dollars in my bank account before I even tasted what cannabis was, bro. $1 million fucking dollars, bro. Renting out fucking Airbnbs for 10 grand a week, 15 grand a week while everybody was masked up during the pandemic. Like, everybody, bro. So let's be real here. Let's be fucking real and get a grip of your damn life, bro. Get a grip of your damn life. Because if you don't, somebody else will control your life. The anxiety and the stress is your body telling you something ain't fucking right. Fix it.